Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So where we last left off is we were gathering Christmas gifts for our boyfriend. Now let's grab Christmas gifts for our girlfriend, okay? Again, you're here on a challenge for 75 days of Benable. I missed a few days. I will admit that. But school and work and everything else is kicking my behind, okay? And the men, papa real pepper, right? So let's just go ahead and focus. Well, I'm going to have to number this, but let's go ahead and focus on some of the things I was able to find on TikTok again. So we started off with gifts for men. We just went through some of these profiles, got some suggestions. And now on TikTok, I'm going to do the same thing. I think it's going to be a lot easier for me to find items for women because I feel like we pretty much drive the market and there's so many things geared towards women and geared towards girls and teen girls and stuff like that. And then when you think about the makeup industry, it's just enormous, right? So I am just gonna pull out my Benable list. Of course, show you guys my invite code. Go ahead, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, try it out. It's invite only to be on the website. Go ahead, try it out, create your list, and see what kickback you can get back because I definitely started to get kickback. It's $6, but it's $6 that can turn into something much greater. Okay, so I appreciate that completely. And I want you guys to join the journey. Okay, so Venable list. I need to make sure I take this link out, do some housekeeping, number this to be number 7, and symbol. It's gonna get the code. At the moment, this is exporting. I've already edited that video. So when it's an exporting, I'm just going to, of course, check my other Notion list where I'm going to just include all of the content titles and descriptions for that particular YouTube that I'm going to post right before this video. Okay, guys? So this is how I keep track. You can choose to keep track also or not. You can just number it the way I also have it numbered, but I don't know if it's my fake undiagnosed ADHD. I just have to organize it this way so I can just like pull it whenever I need it. Because I have started to include these links in other places. And I might do the same thing with the YouTube videos too. I'll just have to figure out how to do that strategically, right? But of course, if you know anyone that's interested in items or they might want to create a wish list or they might ask you things that you're interested in, you can choose one of these items and say, hey, get me some items from this Black Friday list and we'll be good, and ask them to create a list for you. Because I recently asked my friend to ask my goddaughter, hey, listen, let me know what she's interested in and I'll just pull it from whatever list that she creates. So this is great for teens and it's also great for adults. Yeah, so let's get into this. Guys, just watch me create this list for my girlfriend's Christmas gifts. I'm gonna pull all of at the moment I'm thinking about just using TikTok. I'm gonna use TikTok to look for trending items. You guys are gonna watch me source that. I don't think I'm gonna go on Google or Amazon today, but I do have my Amazon open just in case. Yeah. So yeah, watch me create this, okay?